Father's Day is coming up tomorrow, and I wanted to get Dad something really cool and fun because he's definitely one for like making memories and you know, having great experiences. So I actually got us a helicopter ride, and it's going to take us all over different landmarks in Montreal. So I'm so excited, and I haven't told him it's a surprise, and he hates surprises. So we're just going to drive there, and I'll let him know once we get there, and we'll see what he says. Okay, where do you think we're going?
The St. Hubert Airport, because I can see planes landing from here.
Interesting.
That's my current guess. First I thought strawberry picking. My worst thought was karaoke, but now I'm thinking we're going to the airport.
All right, we'll see if Dad's right.
We're helicoptering?
We might be.
Wow.
You will reach your destination.
That would be very cool.
I
We're at Helicraft? 6,500?
Yeah. We're going on a helicopter ride!
Oh my god. That sounds crazy.
But awesome.
But awesome.
Was awesome.
It was great. Merci, hein?
So, what do you think?
It was unbelievable. Wait till you see the video. The video is incredible. What a Father's Day. Thank you, Melanie.